Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Sapna Gautam, Science teacher, Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Fazilka. Students, I have sent you experiment 4, metal reacts with base. So, today I will discuss experiment 5 to compare the tensile strength of various natural and synthetic fibers. नेचुरल और सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स की स्ट्रेंथ को हमें कंपेयर करना है इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. आयरन स्टैंड, विद क्लैम्प, natural fibers, natural and synthetic fibers, natural and synthetic fibers, like cotton, silk, wool and nylon. Okay, we have to compare these natural and synthetic fibers, their strength we have to compare in this experiment. So procedure: take iron stand with clamp, take cotton thread. First of all, tie it with stand, hang some weight to the other end of thread, to the other end of thread, what will we observe? After hanging different weights, one by one, we can say when cotton thread will break. Cotton thread will break. That is the tensile strength of cotton. When we hang varieties of weights to the other end of cotton thread, then we will see कि when this thread will break, that is the tensile strength of cotton fiber. And we take in this way one by one wool, silk and nylon thread also, and then we will see how they will break and what weight it will require to break the thread. So we can say after the end we can see conclusion: cotton thread is lightest and nylon thread is strongest. Means to say the tensile strength of nylon fiber is much more than other threads, or cotton thread is lightest in all of them. Okay, like we take stand and we hang, we take some cotton thread and we hang some weight to the other end of thread, or we can see कि after some time we after hanging the some weight we can see that it will break down like 50 gram or maybe 20 gram. Okay, and one by one we take the threads and hang the weight in this clamp stand, and we can see that how these threads will break after hanging the weights. So in this way we can justify, we can conclude about the tensile strength of various natural and synthetic fibers. Okay, so students, let's see how this activity perform. Let's perform this activity. Okay students, let's perform activity. Look at these threads. This is cotton thread and we hang 100 gram weight of this thread. When we hang cotton thread, the other end of this weight 100 gram, so we can see this will break after some time. This will break like this. Cotton thread will break after hanging 100 gram weight. Or secondly, we take wool thread and we hang this 200 gram weight, and we can see after some time when we hang 200 gram weight, then it will break like this. And we can see cotton thread is lightest in all the threads, and after this wool thread, and we take silk thread and we hang 500 gram weight of this, and this will break when we hang 500 gram weight. And this is nylon thread and we hang 1 kg of weight. Okay, or we can see this is the strongest thread and this will not break after hanging 1 kg of weight. Okay, so in this activity we can see, इस एक्टिविटी में हम देख सकते हैं कि we have hanged all different type of weights from these threads: cotton thread, wool thread, silk thread and nylon thread. And we have seen that cotton thread is lightest in all of them and nylon thread is strongest in all of them. So thanks. Have a nice day, and let's perform this activity at your home also.